Our Earth is getting too hot, but plants can help cool the Earth. On National Tree Day, we planted grass and shrubs on the sand dunes to help cool the Earth and also provide habitat and keep the dunes in place. Also brought the giant Kids Care About Climate Change banner where 2,629 kids from 33 countries drew what they love most about trees as a way to help cool the earth. And we planted a native Australian tree for each drawing. Kids want us to keep the trees we have and plant new ones to make a safe earth for them to live on. What can you do to help cool the earth for kids?